Morning students. So in this video we will revise some grammar skills exercise, okay, from your chapter number 5th, and it is given in your workbook. So common phrases with put. So basically put is a verb, but when we use put with another word, so it is converted into a phrase, okay, and these phrases have different meanings according to their senses, according to their sense. So put on, put on means to start wearing, okay. When we used to say I'm put on this dress, means ki you are uh, start wearing the particular dress or something. Put forth, forth means here forward or in front, we can say. So put forth means being forth an idea, means being forward an idea, give an idea, give an idea or suggestion. Put through, what does it means? Put through means connect, transfer, connect or transfer somebody on the telephone, means put through. Put back, put back means return an object to its original place. Put back, put back this on its particular place, we used to say this. Put down, put down means extinguish, to stop something, yeah, to protect something. Put out, put out means extinguish. Put away means, what does it means? Put away means keep away, keep something away from other thing. Put up with means tolerate an unpleasant situation or person. Tolerate means uh, tolerate मतलब किसी चीज़ को सहन करना, okay. Now here conjunctions. So conjunctions are basically are words, they are connectors, uh, or we can say conjunction play, conjunction are the words which play a role of a bridge between two clauses in the same sentence, okay. So basically they are joining words, okay. So here are some conjunctions given, we have to fill the particular conjunction according to the sense of the sentence. So she behaves such that she were the queen. My mother attended the function though she was very tired. To make tea, you need tea leaves, but milk and sugar are optional. They are not compulsory, they are optional. We are talking about two things, not one option. Okay, milk and sugar. Keep an extra pan in case you lose the one you are carrying. In case he keeps falling sick as he takes a poor diet, because he takes a poor diet, okay, so he keeps falling. This gadget is expensive but very useful. When we use opposite word in the sentence, so almost opposite in the sense, so we use but. Expensive but very useful, because here it shows the oppose, expensive but very useful, okay. So daily revise them, okay students.